Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you can prepare potato cream easily at home. This potato cream is highly effective in removing your dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars, hyperpigmentation and dullness from your skin and will brighten up your skin instantly and will make your skin fair, glowing, radiant and spotless within 3 to 5 days. So now let's see what other ingredients do we need to prepare this highly effective and natural potato cream. So the first and the main ingredient of this home remedy is potato juice, and if you don't know how to prepare potato juice at home, then don't worry. In just few minutes I'm going to tell you how to prepare this juice easily at home. After potato juice you're gonna need half lemon. After that you're gonna need vitamin E oil, or you can even use vitamin E capsules which are easily available in the market. But if you don't have this oil or you don't want to use it, then you can even replace it with almond oil. And the last ingredient which you need is aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the green leaf aloe vera gel, but you can also use the Patanjali aloe vera gel or the pure aloe vera gel extracted from the aloe vera leaf. So now let me firstly tell you how to prepare potato juice easily at home. And the method to make potato juice is very easy. Just take one potato and then peel its skin with the help of a peeler. And after peeling its skin, just cut it into two halves. And now with the help of a grater, just grate them nicely. And now after grating both the potatoes, just collect the grated potato in a clean bowl. And now you have to strain all the juice from the grated potatoes with the help of a strainer, or you can even use the cheesecloth to take out all the juice. And after squeezing all the juice out from the potatoes, your potato juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let's see how to prepare this DIY potato cream. So now to make this cream, just firstly take 1 to 2 tablespoon potato juice in a clean bowl. After that, squeeze half lemon in it. After squeezing the lemon, you have to add approx 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil in it, or you can even add the almond oil in it. And now lastly you have to add 2 to 3 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it. And now you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth, fluffy and a lump-free paste. And now after mixing everything really nicely, I'm adding 1 more tablespoon potato juice in it. And then again mixing everything really nicely to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. So now after mixing everything really nicely, your potato cream is ready and it will look like this. And I know there's a little light difference in this video, so please excuse that. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny. And it should be fluffy, lump-free and smooth, like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This skin is highly effective and has so many benefits for your skin. This cream contains high amount of vitamin C and E, which is very beneficial for hydrating your skin. It makes your skin brighter, tighter and moisturized. This cream will also help to make your skin clear and blemish free, as the potatoes and lemon have skin bleaching properties that helps to clear blemishes, pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars, and also correct uneven skin tone. This natural remedy is better and more effective than expensive chemical-rich creams and ointments, as it works effectively within few days. And the mixture of potato juice and aloe vera gel works as an amazing anti-aging treatment which prevents aging and also reduces wrinkles and fine lines on the face and makes your skin more glowing, radiant, youthful, fair and spotless. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. And after using this cream for at least 3 to 5 days, you will notice that your skin have become more fairer, glowing, youthful, radiant and glowing. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.